Good morning, good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. We sold our SPXs. It's not a bad number, but it's not a great number. It's just sitting there. So we sold it. We bought them at 190, sold them at $3, so made $1 on it. Not bad. Okay, not great, but not bad. Here, very straightforward. SPX is up. It's doing better, but does it go up 50? You need it to go up 40 just to get to the money, right? So it's up 10, so you sell them. And we can buy back if we need to buy back or buy closer. Okay, but the techs are weaker today. NVIDIA is down. Microsoft is down. Tesla's up a little bit. But the NASDAQ is down. So very strange action because into the quarter end, you would think they would buy it. Interesting, right? So a little bit different there. So that's what we know. That's what we know. That's what we know. Micron is way down. Looks like China is going to look into some Micron stuff. Who cares? This is just political rambling and stuff. But that's going to take down Lam Research and some of the chips, KLA, et cetera, et cetera. And then we see. Okay? It's a Friday. It's been a great week. Lulu, Lam Research, NVIDIA, a lot of things ran very, very nicely. Okay? Today, what you want to do is you want to watch for breakups. Okay? Does Netflix get to 343? Netflix is intriguing because it's up, but it's not near the highs, and they're going to make less movies, so they're going to have less cost. But here's something to just think about, very interesting on Netflix. Why do you lower costs? Because your business isn't as good? That's probably the biggest thing. Okay, that's probably the biggest thing. So if Netflix's business is not as good, less subs, do they spend less money on content? Does that imply a miss? Interesting. That almost implies a miss because it came from 170, right? When earnings come. So we'll keep an eye on that one for today. If they can get through 343, it rips. Okay. That's about it. Everything's just kind of a chill. It's a good week. Here's the thing. We told you this earlier. You got to be closer to the money, and you got to trade them faster. Okay? Got to be closer to the money. Got to trade them faster. I thought the PCE being lower, they would take it way down, way up, but they didn't. So we got out. Okay? Very straightforward. Strange action. Lulu not even moving. It's not even barely trading. It doesn't make any sense, but that's okay. It's okay. That's what we know. That's what we know. That's what we know. Okay. Real quickly, if you have any questions, let's go to questions. Nothing. Okay. Okay. So let's get going here. Good morning, everybody. 3/31, end of quarter, end of month. So what happens today? So what you want to see is you want to see techs get better. If techs don't get better, the market's just average at best. Okay. So interesting. So SPX up 9, you got 40.59, you got 40.72, 40.81, underneath 40.20. Okay. Avago can't seem to break up. 652 way up there. Okay, way up there. If and when that breaks, it's ready underneath 609. NVIDIA, very straightforward, 277. We've been giving you this beast for a couple weeks. 277, underneath 269. Lam Research, what a move. So if you bought both sides, I got a message from a guy yesterday. He said, Sam, I bought both sides. I paid $5 up and down. And he goes, they went to 32. They went to 32 from 5. I mean, 5, you got to add 5. So if you bought one side for 250, you bought the other side for 250, that's 5. Okay, so you got to use 5 as the number. Went to 32. Amazing play. Very nice play, very nice play. But we didn't do that one, but we rolled. We had the 520, 525, and the 535. So all of them seemed to work. Okay? So interesting. KLAC, nice move. If and when this gets over 400, it really runs. If it can get to 403, it can run Monday, Tuesday. Okay? Interesting. Nice. Lulu, very straightforward. 368. MCB is that bank that was way down yesterday. It's up 6.5. Up 6.5. That's positive for the market, positive for the banks, because who knows why they took it down. Goldman Sachs, 326, 319. Snowman, if it can get 146, this may pop to 150. Okay. Meta holding strong, but it's that all week it was sitting here, and on a Monday, the 210s were $2, and it didn't even move at all. Okay, so now you got to wait for earnings, wait for earnings, wait for earnings. MDB 221, NOW right here at the 440 area, 466. I like it for earnings. 466 is the beast number there. Microsoft 286, 288. 286, 288. Let's see if it can go, right? Amazon, trying to go. If it can get to 103.50, it gets very interesting into the close. Tesla, 201. Look, on a Monday, Tesla, $5 out of the money, or $2. So if you take the $5 out of the money and you add $2, that's $7. Means it has to move $7. Tesla used to move $7 in 5 minutes. He doesn't think it's going to move. That's why it's so cheap. So if it goes, if you buy him at 2 and it goes to 3, you got to sell, because he doesn't think it's going to move. Now, we have the numbers coming out over the weekend. I believe they should be out over the weekend. The car numbers, do they get better? Do they get worse? I don't know. Okay. But here's what I know. It doesn't move. Can't overplay. Okay. First Solar just sitting there, 216. Enphase, 209. What else? CrowdStrike, 136. Align, ALGN. Looking at this one, I like this. I like the 350 for earnings. Don't know when earnings are, but they're way out there. Because it got up there. So, but you gotta wait. PNW trying to go 196. That's what we know. Okay, everybody have a great trade day, fun week. Go slow, chill, relax. And that's what we know. Everybody have a great trade day. See you, chat.